This says solve the following for x without technology. All right, so we're taking the cosine of tan inverse of x. So that means this is an angle. So what angle is it? If we look at, so tan inverse requires us to consider only the right two quadrants here and not even the axes. So usually I'm just going to put those there because those are not in the the range. Tan inverse of x, let's think of that as x over 1. We don't know if that's a positive or negative ratio, but why don't I draw it first in this quadrant? So to make tangent x over 1 means that from this picture, that's what theta is, right? Because tangent of theta is x over 1, so tan inverse of x over 1 is theta. So by the Pythagorean theorem, if I use this c to represent my hypotenuse, that means that c is the square root of 1 plus x squared. Okay, and so now I know that theta is what's in my picture, and I'm going to take the cosine of theta. And if you just look at my picture, the cosine of theta is 1 over the square root of 1 plus x squared. Okay, and the good news is, like, it wouldn't even have mattered. You might just note it wouldn't have mattered if I drew it in this quadrant, right? Because the hypotenuse would still be the square root of 1 plus x squared, but the x coordinate here is positive regardless. Okay, so that just means it doesn't matter which of the two quadrants we drew in. Now this I have to set equal to a third, and now we're done with the trigonometry, and we just need to solve this. So, you can cross multiply or whatever you think of doing. So squaring both sides, we get this. Okay, so our two answers are plus or minus root 8.